At a distance of about 1.08 kilometers from the Sun there lies a mysterious world called Venus, the sister of the Earth. Named after the Roman goddess of beauty and love, Venusian, Venus is the second brightest object in the night sky after Moon. Even though Mercury is closer to the Sun than Venus, it is the hottest planet in the solar system, making it a hell of a planet. This hellish world consists of more than 96% of carbon dioxide in its atmosphere. It is shrouded by an opaque layer of highly reflective clouds of sulfuric acid, preventing its surface from being seen from the space invisible light, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. With a mean surface temperature of about 462 degrees Celsius. A temperature good enough to melt lead. This heavy atmosphere contributes to a surface temperature of about 92 times that of Earth. This type of pressure is found at about 3,000 feet underground of the Earth. Drains sulfuric acid on Venus, with the rain not reaching the surface as it evaporates within the atmosphere. It is believed that Venus had oceans in the past, but these oceans would have vaporized as the temperature rose due to a runaway greenhouse effect. The water has probably photodissociated and the free hydrogen has been swept away into interplanetary space by the solar wind due to lack of strong planetary magnetic field. Venus's surface is a dry desertscape interspersed with slag-like rocks and periodically resurfaced by volcanism. At a height of about 50 kilometers from the surface of the Venus, the conditions are similar to that of Earth. Scientists believe that at this height floating cities can be constructed using the thickness of Venus's atmosphere, making it the next home for humanity after Earth. Well, it might be a great idea to live on Venus like in science fiction movies.
But there is also another way of terraforming Venus. Think of a simple chemical reaction. Acid reacts with base to give salt and water. Now if we can react the sulfuric acid on Venus's atmosphere with base, then salt and water are formed. Then the heavy atmosphere is gone. As the heavy atmosphere is gone, the temperature should now decrease. Now we want to fix the rotation of the planet as it rotates way too slowly. It takes 243 days to complete one rotation. For this we should collide it with a big object. After fixing the rotation, it will have a good magnetic field to protect it from solar wind. Now the rotation is fixed, we should fix the nitrogen in the atmosphere. The atmosphere must be nitrogen rich with sufficient amount of oxygen. Carbon dioxide should be less than that of Earth as it is closer to Sun than the Earth. Then we will make use an asteroid for a satellite. Now we will have the perfect Earth-like sister planet. Well, terraforming Mars is way easier, but terraforming Venus is also an idea. Well, what do you think of this idea? What do you think of colonizing Venus? Do comment below.